Good day! This video tutorial is intended to guide you in creating poster in MS Publisher. MS Publisher is a great tool to create poster for personal or professional events. To begin with, double-click the MS Publisher icon on the desktop. Then, start with a blank publication size 11 by 8.5 inches in a landscape position. So you will see now the desktop publication environment. To insert an image, click the Insert tab, click Picture, then browse to the folder that contains an image. Select and click Insert button. Use the corner handle to resize the image. You can also format your image by clicking the Picture Style Properties by Bevel Rectangle Style. To add text, go to the Insert tab, click the Draw Text box icon, move at the top left of your page, click and drag to insert that text box. Once you added the text box, you notice that the text box tools format is shown at the top. Type your text, highlight, change the font style, the font size, and the font color. Use the Center Alignment tab to center the text. Then, insert another text box below the image. Go again to the Insert tab, click the Draw Text Box icon, click and drag to insert the text box. Type your text, highlight your text to change the font style, the font size, and the font color. Use the Center Alignment tab to center the title. Change the background into lavender color using the Drawing Tools format. Now, you have a poster using the MS Publisher. Then, save it in your computer using the Save icon. If you have any question, please email me at mabunga.adriana@gmail.com. Thank you.